Hello beautiful planner girls, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellen from Digital Plans. I hope that you're all ready to be back on our memory planner, which I haven't done through December really. So I'm excited to get into the holiday spirit with my kids as well, and I am using Holiday Pray by the PinkPlannerShop, and I absolutely love this kit. It first came out in blue and it was a Hanukkah one and I loved it and I really wanted to use it, but of course I don't celebrate Hanukkah, so I really couldn't. So I'm excited that this came out in these really beautiful colors. Now I know what you're thinking, what the heck is going on with that foil? I feel like I really want to use the candy cane, and with the lineup that I made for myself, this is the only chance I got and I'm gonna use it to use the candy cane. And also, even though, am I crazy or does this look really cute? Like, I know these are definitely not the colors, but I would love to add a little bit of red to make it even more like Christmassy. And you can definitely go with like gold or rose gold, maybe even just like the green kit with the gingerbread cookies will look really pretty, you know, anything like that. But I really wanted to use these and I feel like it looks really cute. Like, I actually really love the way that it looks. So I'm ready with my kit and with my foil and everything. So let's go ahead and get started with these. I'm gonna get started as always with my base. And for me, that's really always getting started with the full frames. So let's open that up and get started. Okay, so full boxes. We don't have a tall box, which is kind of sad. I really do love this girl with the sweater. I think she's so cute. So I kind of wanted to put her here. I'm gonna go, I love also these girls, so like, I don't know which one I should use. I feel like we could, you know, use both. Hold on. I feel like we could use both, so maybe we shall do maybe this one on Friday, cutie, and then we will put this one on the sidebar. I love her, like, I just absolutely love her, like the outfit, the ring, the hair, you know, like everything is just everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this up. What else can we do? Okay, where's my double box? I feel like this one right here, so I'm gonna put that here. I feel like I want this here. That's gonna be the vibe of it all. Okay, that's cute. Down here, I feel like we can do food. You'll know if it's a full flat lay, I'm gonna use it. There's no other way. What else? I feel like we can do here, here, and here, right? So these three. What else am I really love this one. Love with the gingerbread cookies and all the presents. So cute. And then we are going to do, what did I say? These ones, these two right here. So we could do either food. I really want to do the sweaters. So cute. Because like, that was me this week, like just pulling out all my sweaters, getting all of my stuff together. I did make like my little Christmas tree in my desk, as well as, you know, like the big actual Christmas tree. And I feel like we should, I kind of really wanted to use these down here. Come in and cozy up. So freaking adorable, and the coffee cup is everything. Okay, so we're making another one right here. I do really love this one because we did put up the tree this week, so I kind of want to use something. So cute. Oh, I hadn't seen the pen. The pen has like a little bit of a Christmas tree on top. That is so cute. We could like use something here. I don't know. Maybe food. Shall we do this one with the food or the presents? But I feel like I didn't do presents this week because like, this is not the week to do that. I don't know. When do you guys get your Christmas presents ready? Okay, I'm just gonna put it like kind of here in the middle, and then we're gonna use some foil to separate that. Maybe put like a label in one of those to signal like a couple of things that happen. But I love it, and I definitely wanted to, like, I feel like these weeks for the holiday are gonna be filled with a lot of deco, like a lot of the you know, kids full boxes and whatnot. Like, I might use it all because I love it. I love the vibe of Christmas just being like all the way in there. What else are we gonna do? Definitely washi. And I love this new format. Comes with these 2 washi tapes that are so freaking adorable, and I love them, and I think they're gonna pop really, really cute with the foil. Like, yes. So let's just pop them here. And then I'm gonna do these ones right here. I don't know. This is the wrong one. Okay. I'm gonna stretch them a little bit. I cannot wait to use a new planner, you guys. I know I've told you this like every single time we plan, but like I'm so excited to be rid of these lines because I feel like, well, nobody used them, but also having to like, you know, get rid of them every single time I'm planning, it's a little bit of a headache. So yeah, I'm excited to not have those. What else? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put my date covers, which are right here. I'm gonna put my glitter headers, as always, and then on top of the full boxes, I'm gonna put some cute deco headers. And I will be right back so that you don't have to see me do this tedious process. And then we'll be right back to play with our foil, I feel like. Okay, guys, so this is how this kit is looking like. I feel like really cute art. I definitely want to pump it up with the foil. I don't know which one I like best of these ones. I feel like I need to put the foil on top to like know which one I love the most. So we're gonna use some of these ones. I feel like I'm gonna use these for the headers. So let's go ahead and try to put them here and see which ones we like best. So let me size this up, and then we need to crop it here. Okay, what are we thinking? Do we like that color? I feel like it'll look cuter in the, I mean, like that looks kind of really cute. Oh my god, I didn't thought I was going to love this one the best, but I kind of really love the way these pops and the way these look, so I think that's gonna be the winner. I'm just gonna like delete all of these ones, oops, and pop these here, and then let's just copy paste it on top of the full boxes. So that's what we're gonna do with that. Yes, I do really love it. I think it is super duper cute, and I definitely want to add in my washi, my foiled washi on top, because I think that's gonna completely change the spread. Did you guys notice about this thing on GoodNotes where now you can, like, it doesn't matter what you're using, like if you're using the pen tool, you can go ahead and grab, can you see that? You can go ahead and grab stickers. So you don't have to be like moving things around. You don't have to be like changing from tool to tool. That's crazy, and I kind of really love it. Okay, just a little tip if you guys didn't know. It's gonna be taking like a little while to like for me to get used to it, but I feel like it is a cool new thing that you can do now. Okay, how are we gonna do these? I feel like maybe we'll do these ones on top. I think they're gonna look really cute, which means I'm gonna need another one of these right here. Really cute. And then these ones I feel like maybe on top of the what is this called? Gosh. Of the pink with the snowflakes. I think that's gonna look really cute. And then we can do the other ones. The mini ones underneath. And I think, yes, I think that looks so freaking adorable. Let's size them up. Yeah, I do really love that. I think that looks so cute. I don't know how. I love these because I didn't thought I was gonna like it with the red, but I think that it definitely makes it more of like a Christmassy type of kit. I do really love it. So let's see, let's copy paste. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them, but I definitely want to use a couple. So you guys know I love doing that with these ones. We're going to just like crop it. So we're gonna do one, and then we're gonna copy right here, and then we're gonna crop them in half to like make one of these double boxes. That looks really cute. Okay, and then we're gonna use the rest of them. So I really like this one. I feel like here will look really cute. I definitely wanna like a frame with the girl here. I think she needs a frame. So freaking cute. I love her. And then maybe we'll do that, or maybe we'll do this one. I don't know, but I feel like this one. Oh, I definitely want to use that here. I love these like box. I don't know why. Maybe it's a mat, maybe it's a coffee cup. I don't know, but I love it. So we're just gonna, what else can we do? I don't know if these will be like, you know, even though I love them, I think they're so freaking cute. I don't think they're like really the vibe that I want to go with. I'm gonna go ahead and like switch these, maybe make it up. There we go. Love that. Just like adding a little bit of the peppermint, you know? Maybe here would be really cute. Now that's adorbs. Okay, I do really love the way this looks like. I feel like definitely that red makes it look cute. And of course, we did these. I don't know if I want to use all of these ones, or if we should just like search for green. Or I kind of really like these. So I think that's what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do these ones. I feel like they're gonna look really cute. Maybe we could even mix them, like one like these, and then the next one switch it around so that it's gonna be green and then red. I feel like that's gonna be a really cute vibe. So I'm gonna do that. Then we want this one right here. So freaking cute. And then I feel like we could copy and paste it here and here, and then have this one right here, just like making sure we don't have the same one in a row, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So we can do this here, we can do this here, and we can do that here as well as here. And then we need the other way around. So this one, and I'm gonna do it in the rest of them. I think that's gonna look really cute. I am really loving this vibe, you guys. I think it looks really pretty. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm crazy for like doing the red peppermint with this kit? Because I feel like it's gonna be like a controversial choice. Okay, but I am loving it. I think it looks so freaking adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and as always, white out these lines that I just came to absolutely hate. Can't wait for 2023 planner. Like, I just literally cannot wait. And I'm gonna go into a couple of things. My character stickers, we could do, hold on. I'm just gonna pop these here to like divide here a little bit. So let's just crop a little bit of these, a little bit of that. Okay, I think that's cute. And then we can just like copy and paste. Oh, come on. And paste. And of course, I took the white out. Okay, I think that looks kind of really cute. And then we can do a couple of things here. So first of all, let's go into our labels, because I want to like actually put a couple of things here. And I was like really lazy and I didn't really crop these properly. So we're going to do that right now. I feel like we could use these ones because they would kind of match, you know, the headers. And this is going to be way too big. But we are digital planning, so we can totally squeeze it. And then that's what happens when you grab like the biggest one when you don't need the biggest one. Okay, I think that's it. That is cute. I definitely want to go into my scripts. Hold on. There we go. And I know which one I want to use. I just gotta be this one because this week is the week that it started to feel really freaking freezing, really cold, and so I definitely want to put that there. And also we put up the Christmas tree. I feel like there's one here with that. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see it or not? Maybe not. I could put get a 3 even though we didn't get it. We already had one, but you know, that's like, it goes with the spirit. So we're gonna put that here. These are from Paper Crown Planner, by the way. I don't know if she still has them, but I love them. I think they're so cute. And I definitely want to like put that here, and then maybe we'll have to like move that. And then we're gonna go into my character stickers and grab a couple of things. So the Christmas tree decorating. I feel like we could use so many of these ones. I feel like I'm gonna use this one right here. And I need one for the freezing white. That looks way too cute. And I definitely want to try to just do all of them just with like the cute stickers from here, like all of them to be like Christmas stickers. So instead of going and using like regular character stickers, just use the ones that are like Christmassy inspired. I feel like I can do that because I feel like my spread will look really cute if I do it like that. So we're gonna do that. Love it. I love it. Am I done? Did I finish? I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my day dots, of course, again with the foil, and that will be it. I do really love this spread. I think it is so freaking cute, so adorable. It is definitely a vibe and definitely gets me in the holiday spirit, so I do really love it. So thank you so much for watching, beautiful planner girls, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.